Let's take a look. What do you believe in? I believe in Allah. How do you believe? Do you know His names? Do you know His attributes? Do you, Allah forbid, agree with those who say Allah is in the sky? Do you also raise your finger and say Allah is up there? May Allah forbid. This concept of Allah that people believe in includes such expressions. These are contrary to the al-Sunnah and also contrary to Islam and the Quran, attributing a place to Allah. Now, if you say above with the meaning of exaltedness, upon exaltedness, meaning that He observes all of us, He watches over our deeds. He is ever watchful. He is witness. That's a different matter, but this, now when you say above, what's understood is a location. Then when you point your finger, a location is understood. There are many other issues like this. If someone says, Allah the Father, Allah forbid, how wrong is that? Do you attribute maleness or femaleness to angels? Allah forbid, for example. There are many more issues like this. Now you've reached a certain age. Death is unpredictable. Everyone has an appointed time. When that comes, it doesn't move even a second forward or back. Neither forward nor backward. Can these things be corrected afterward? You get married, and then you influence your spouse. Then you have children, and you don't know about the amentu, statement of belief. Even if you give the dictionary meanings, if you repeat it like a parrot, you still don't know its content. You say you believe in the books, but when they recite a verse from the Quran, you say, does that still apply today? There you go, you've left the faith. That's why it's necessary to review your creed, your matters of belief, in accordance with the views of the scholars of Ahl al-Sunnah wal Jama'ah.